Yo, what up guys, Dumpug VR here, and we're back with another Animal Company video, and we're right here with, what's your name?
Burnout Trader 15.
Yeah, go follow him on TikTok, but in today's video, we are going to be doing the no talking challenge, and basically the rules are, we're both going to go on mute, and we're going to be, speedrunning Haunted Mansion, trying to get as much money as we possibly can. So our goal is not to die, but anyways, let's get into the video. Alright, ready to get mute? 3, 2, 1. Okay, so first we're gonna obviously need some loot. I think I'm just gonna get a grappler.
They have nut shredders unlocked.
Alright, go back on mute.
Follow me.
Wait. Go on mute, go on mute. Wait, go on mute though, go on mute. Okay, where are we going? This is not fucking... Oh, that's the key. Oh, okay. Alright, nice. Yeah, let's just get that. Wait, I can't even like keep this, okay? So we're just not gonna... Let's head to the forest right here. Right there. We're gonna go to the forest? What? Yeah, the forest. Okay, where's the dark forest right here? Come here. Make pipe. Where is he? Yo. Come here. That's freaking, what's it called? Graveyard. Oh, I found it. Oh wait, I forgot we're on mute. Alright, so I guess we're just gonna immediately open door. Oh shoot, I forgot. Dang, it works. Alright, that was a pretty quick run. Oh my gosh. Jesus. Wait, we don't have any pickaxes.
Crap.
Yo, bro, go on mute. Unmute.
This is about
so
2K right
this
here.
time we're gonna try going again, but this time with pickaxes because we kind of just failed.
You're right.
Let's just sell whatever we got, and then we'll go with pickaxes. I forgot that they have like the mining up there. Alright, so let's just get pickaxes.
Also, that's 2K right there.
Alright, so are we gonna do the same strategy to go to like the ocean? Alright, let's go.
You probably
A pickaxe?
No,
Not sure.
nut shredder.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna just go get the key real quick.
Alright, just go on mute right now. Okay. Alright. So anyways, let's go back to Haunted Mansion. This time we got pickaxes. Oh, so yeah, this is one. Alright, now we could actually get the ores. Well, I mean, we kind of got a few, but we only got one. Alright, so this is mine. Oh my gosh, almost. Let's go! Okay, we actually got some. This time we actually got it. Alright. Let's go up here. Nope. Can't go through that way. And here we go. Okay, nice. Where are you? Oh, yeah, jump down. Okay. So now we're gonna be now we're gonna sell our stuff here. So I'll go first. Okay. No. Oh shoot, I almost just died. Alright, it's 10,000 or close to 10,000. Oh, perfect. Okay, go on mute. Alright, so the first round we made $2,000, and in this round we made 8,000, so that's 10,000 in total. So we did our goal in 2 runs.
No,
Technically, the first run didn't really count because we had revolvers, and I forgot that the mining update was out. But anyways, I think it's the end of the video. So anyways, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Again, go follow him on TikTok. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.